Today is Saturday, April 23rd, and we have the pleasure of attending Nature for Health at Kickerillo-Mischer Preserve in Tomball, Texas. Xin chào cả nhà. Hôm nay là thứ Bảy ngày 23 tháng 4. Tụi này rất hân hạnh được đến thăm thiên nhiên tốt cho sức khỏe tại công viên Kickerillo-Mischer Preserve ở Tomball, Texas. Please come with us to see what this event is like. Maybe someday you can attend as well. Hãy đến với tụi này để xem sự kiện này là như thế nào nha. Có thể một ngày nào đó bạn cũng có thể đến đây tham dự nữa. Here's the sign and booth for the free canoe rental. Ở đây tụi này ghi danh để lên ngoài canoe miễn phí nha. Try.
Okay. Now what about the other one? Check if they sound the same or different. They can sound the same, right?
No, this one has a higher pitch and this one has a lower tone.
That's true. That is so true.
Awesome.
Oh. Whoa. It's good, huh?
Sounds like a hiss.
Have you heard that before?
Well, sort of.
Wow, can you do that? Whoa, that's
Uh-huh.
yeah.
How about the frogs? Try the frogs right here on the table.
Okay, close your eyes. Real quick. Just real quick. Close your eyes. You want to do it? Okay.
Sounds like an actual frog.
You actually go, back and a little bit stronger.
No,
And here.
Oh, sounds just like a frog. Wow.
Sound, right? And as you can see, they all sound different. Sounds like. What do you think? Maybe water coming down? Yeah, this is, this is not the P.1, so you can.
Your choice, so you get to pick whatever you want on there.
A fan?
A fan? Okay. Here you go.
Wow.
Yep.
Do you want
And
to?
if you would like propellant, you are welcome to.
Oh, okay. Can you help, mommy? Maybe pick this one. This? Right. A fan too. Yeah.
Extra.
Here you go.
What do you say, baby?
You're welcome.
This is wobbly.
Wow, look at this vine. In addition to this shaded area, there's also a 1.7 miles walking path. Ngoài cái khu vực bóng mát này, còn có một con đường đi bộ dài 1.7 dặm nữa. Thú bên này.
Not flat enough.
Finally, it's time to go on the canoe. So we will end the video here. Please be on the lookout for part 2, the canoe ride. Cuối cùng cũng đến lúc lên cano rồi. Vì vậy tụi này sẽ kết thúc video tại đây nha. Xin hãy đón xem phần 2, chuyến đi bằng cano. Bye everyone. Xin chào cả nhà. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Cảm ơn cả nhà đã xem và ủng hộ.